So yesterday I've uploaded a video where I went to the Royal Enfield company store and I bought the tall fly screen which is available for the Interceptor, but I wanted this for my Thunderbird. Now for some reason I had to put down that video, but no worries, we are gonna do the fixing right now. So we removed the entire headlight unit here because we have to make drills over here as per the mounts that are given. So what Ravi Anna is doing, he is taking out all the wiring before the drilling happens. So we have fixed the fly screen along with the indicators without the headlight. Looks funny though. So we fix the headlight as well as the indicators. All we gotta do is we gotta do the drilling part here, and the same goes here. So we are leaving a 1 finger gap here because if the visor is totally 90 degrees straight at higher speeds, this might break off. So if it is a little slanter, the air will deflect away properly. So 1 finger gap is what we are leaving here. We have just done the marking. So this is the marking on this side and this is the marking here. So this is where we're going to do the drill.
బండి సర్వీసింగ్ తెచ్చిండు.
ఇంకేం సెట్ అయిపోయింది?
అయిపోయిందన్న, అయిపోయింది. నేను కష్టపడితే అయింది.
అరే నువ్వు లేకపోతే ఏడైతాయి అన్న ఇవన్నీ. నువ్వు ఉన్నానే ధైర్యంతోనే కొనేది ఇవన్నీ. ఏదో జుగాడు చేస్తావనే తెలుసు.
Finally fitted this Interceptor windscreen.
చెప్పన్నా. So finally we have done with the Interceptor fly screen on Thunderbird.
నవ్వరా ఇప్పుడు నవ్వరా. స్ట్రైట్ ఉందా?
Yeah. On Trinity is ready and Ravi Anna is doing the ribbon cutting of it. Woo! Take a look at that. Finally, Trinity looks like the stepbrother of the Interceptor 650. That fly screen looks really good on Thunderbird. బాగుంది కదన్నా?
ఓకే ఫైన్
ఫైన్ అంటావు.
ఇట్స్ అమేజింగ్.
అమేజింగ్ అది.